Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the easiest process to hide friend list on Facebook apps. So the process is very much simple. First of all, make sure to get connected with the internet. Then simply start by tapping on the apps icon, go to the Facebook. Here we go. And once you enter your Facebook app, just simply start by tapping on this three horizontal line at the top right and just scroll down. And you will see a settings and privacy at the bottom. Just tap on this button and again tap on this settings option, and here just scroll down and you will see how people can find and contact you option in audience and visibility. Just tap on this option, and once you enter here you can easily hide your friend list by tapping on this who can see your friend list option at the second. Just tap on this bar. Yeah, and in my case, my friend list is here with public. And if you want to hide your friend list, just tap on this only me option. Select this only me. This is the easiest process to hide your friend list on your Facebook. So hope this video helped you to hide a friend list on your Facebook app. So before you go, make sure to like, subscribe and share this channel as well. Thank you for watching.